Hello guys, in this lecture I will talk about valence bound theory. So have a look at this. What is valence bound theory? Is one of the most basic two theories along with molecular orbital MO theory that were developed to use the methods of quantum mechanics to explain chemical bonding. It focuses on how the atomic orbitals of the dissociate atoms combine to give individual chemicals bonds when a molecule is formed. In contrast, molecular orbital theory has orbitals that cover the whole molecules. Lothar Meyer, in his book 1980-60-44, Die modern Theorien der Chemie, contained an early version of predictable containing 28 elements, classified as element into six families by their valence. For the time, elements had been grouped according to their valence. Work on organizing elements by atomic weight until then had been systematized by the widespread use of equivalent words for the elements rather than atomic weight. In 1916, Jean Louis proposed that chemical bond forms by the interaction of two shared groups bounding electron with the representation of molecules as Lewis structure. The chemist Charles Russell suggested in 1921 that 8 and 18 electrons in a shell from stable configuration. Berg proposed that electron configuration is translational element depend upon the valence electrons in their outer shell. In 1916, Comsel put forth his theory of the ionic chemical bond outer rule, also independently valence shell. That's most important as well. It was in the same year by the Galbraith and Lewis, Walton Kelsey put forward a theory similar to Lewis, only his mode assumed complete transfers of electrons between atoms, was thus a model of ionic bonding. Both Lewis and Kelsey structured their bounding model on that of 1960-44. Although there is no mathematical formula either in chemistry or quantum mechanics for the arrangements of electrons in the atom, the hydrogen atom can be described by Schrödinger equation and the Marx-Strasser equation, both derived in 1925. However, for hydrogen alone in 1927, the Hadron-London formulated which from the first enabled the calculation bounding Fourier and quantum Walter determines how to showing wave equation 1926 to show how to hydrogen atom wave functions together with plus, minus and exchange terms from equivalent to covalent bound. This is a most interesting topic as well. This is most interesting. So if you need more clarification around this, you can ask me in comment box. Thanks for watching.